Hello dear students, today we are going to start a topic on chloroplast. As you all know about the chloroplast, it is the site of photosynthesis in green plants. This term was first coined by Schimper in 1883. It is a double membrane bound structure and found in mesophyll cells of green plants. 20 to 40 chloroplasts are present in mesophyll cell, but in case of algal cell, single chloroplast is present and their size varies from 3 to 5 micron. But in case of schizophilous plants, chloroplasts are larger in size and their shapes varies from genus to genus. For example, in Spirogyra, spiral shaped chloroplasts are present in Spirogyra alga. In case of Chlamydomonas, cup-shaped chloroplast is present. In Ulothrix, it is horseshoe-shaped, and in case of Chignema, it is star-shaped. In Oedogonium, it is reticulated. In Chlorella, it is discoid type. Structure of chloroplast. Chloroplast is a double membrane-bound structure. It has outer and inner membrane, and these membranes are made up of lipoproteins, and their thickness varies from 50 to 80 angstrom. And in between these two membranes, a perimembrane space is present, and this space is 80 to 100 angstrom thick. Inner to this membrane, stroma is present. It is also known as matrix. Stroma contains granular lamellar system that is known as grana, and it also contains DNA, RNA, ribosomes, and ribosomes are of prokaryotic origin, that is 70S type of ribosomes. It also contains proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, and CO2 fixation enzymes. It also contains chlorophyll. Chlorophyll A and B are main pigments, whereas carotenoids and phycobilins are accessory pigments. Thylakoids are arranged in sac-like floating structures, and these are arranged in stacks, and a single stack is known as granum, and all the granum are plurally called as grana. It is a semi-autonomous organelle. It replicates it divides by binary fission as in bacteria. Lamellar system. In lamellar system, thylakoid are floating membrane sacs which are present in stacks. 10 to 100 grana are present in per chloroplast. Thylakoids. At the inner membrane of the thylakoid, this is thylakoid, and this is the inner surface. These are globular structures present at the inner surface, and these structures are called as quantasomes. These globular structures are known as quantasomes, which are present at the inner surface of the thylakoid. And the structure of the size of the thylakoid is 20 into 10 to the power 20 into 10 nanometer, and their molecular weight is 2 into 10 to the power 6 Dalton. Okay. And this quantasome is single membrane bound structure. It contains 230 chlorophyll molecules, in which 160 molecules are chlorophyll A and 70 molecules are chlorophyll B. It also contains 50 molecules of carotenoids, and it is the main site of photosynthesis, and it is the basic unit of photosynthesis. The main function of the chloroplast is photosynthesis and to produce carbohydrates. The process occurs in two parts. First is light reaction and second one is dark reaction. Light reaction occurs at the inner surface of the thylakoids, and dark reaction occurs in the stroma. In light reaction, quantasomes absorb traps light energy, and they convert it into ATP and NADPH2 in the reduced form. Whereas in the dark reaction, ATP and NADPH2, which are produced in the light reaction, are consumed in the stroma to produce carbohydrates. Thank you.